Hello everybody and peace to you all. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be talking about similarities and differences between watercolor and gouache. So first, watercolor. Watercolor is a water-based paint. It has a very light texture, and we use more water to activate the paint. Watercolor paint is very transparent comparing to gouache, so it gets very easily absorbed by the paper. That's why quality of the paper is very important when we use watercolor. We should use a thick watercolor paper, and it should be at least 140 pounds when we use paper for watercoloring. Also, when we do watercoloring, we usually start from light to we go from light to dark shades, and we also are limited when it comes to layering. When it comes to gouache, it's a very versatile paint. It's much more opaque comparing to watercolor, and we use much less water to activate it. It has much thicker texture, and it mostly stays on top of the paper and doesn't get absorbed as much as watercoloring. That's why we can use gouache on many kind of surfaces, and the quality of paper is not that much important. We can even use on a wood or cardboard. Another advantage of gouache is that it could be easily be reactivated by water. That means that if you made a mistake on your painting and you want to go ahead and change after it dries out, you can do that. We can use dark to light or light to dark shadings when we do watercoloring. Light to dark is the same as watercoloring. Dark to light is a more similar to the acrylic. So that characteristic of acrylic, that we use dark and then we can add some light shades on top of that. So in this video, that's about it. I hope you liked this video, guys. I hope it was beneficial for you and you learned something about some differences about watercolor and gouache. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.